Okay, viewers, today I'm going to do a simple demonstration on the Wi-Fi configuration for these Wi-Fi cameras, this Wi-Fi power bank camera and this Wi-Fi alarm clock from Corprit. I'll use this power bank camera as an example, and the basic operation on the app and on your smartphone, they're basically the same. I'll talk about it later. Okay, let's start with this power bank camera. Okay, first you need to power it on. You can see this side this is the power bank function side, and on the opposite this is the Wi-Fi camera function side. Okay, I haven't used the cover yet. When you apply the cover, both this card slot and this lens, they are basically invisible. Okay, I'm using this as a demonstration. Okay, first let's power it on first. This is the power switch. Okay, press and hold it for 6 to 7 seconds. Okay, until the LED indicators started flashing. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. Let's try again. Okay, now it's on. You can see both the red and the blue LED, they are on. This means that the camera is now on and it's now emitting Wi-Fi signals. And basically, this is a Wi-Fi hotspot itself. Okay, now on your smartphone, let's open the menu, enter Wi-Fi settings. Let's go. Let's search for the hotspot this camera generated. Okay, there is a little sticker here. There's a QR code, and beneath it there's a serial number. Basically, the Wi-Fi hotspot from this camera, the name is this serial number. It will be named after this serial number. Okay, you can see now on my phone. Now I have found this hotspot. It will start with KDB. And it's just a serial number. It's pretty notable. You won't miss it. Okay. Now choose it, and it will automatically connect to it. There is no password needed at this stage. Okay. Make sure you are connecting to the exact hotspot as marked on the camera itself. There should be a serial number. Okay. Now we are connected. You can see. As we're connected, now we go back to the main interface and let's find the app called BC Cam. Okay, for the app BC Cam, you can simply scan this QR code on the user manual, or you can just search it in the App Store. Okay, BC Cam. Let's open it. Okay, you can see as I have connected to these cameras Wi-Fi hotspots, so the app has automatically detected. Okay, you can see. Here it says find a new device, and there's a serial number XXXX has been found, has been added. Okay, now this has been added automatically. Well, just in case the app didn't add the camera automatically, I'll show you how to manually add it. Okay, there's a little plus icon on the top right. Okay, choose it. Let's add. There are two options: add a new online camera or set up device Wi-Fi connection. Here we should say set up device Wi-Fi connection. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, sorry. There's add a new online camera. Okay, there is. You can see there's several options. There's search LAN, QR scan. You can either search LAN, which means you will search for the Wi-Fi hotspot you have just connected. Okay, search LAN, and that's the new device you have just connected. This is the one I have hold on my hand. Or back, you can use scan QR code. Okay, scan QR code and scan this QR code here. Okay, you can see it has identified the camera itself. Okay, now let's use this device. Okay, scan. Okay, now you can see on my smartphone here, it has said cam online. And simply click it, and there's a notification showed up. It's recommended to change the password, but now we'll simply skip it. And okay, now we have live video. You can see it's now all live. Okay, we're on a live show, right? Yeah. You can see it right now. Okay, now back to the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, here this Wi-Fi camera is simply connected to my phone. But now, what if you need to, let's say, view it remotely? You're not at home, so we're going to connect this camera to your home wireless Wi-Fi router. Okay, back to the main interface. You can see there is a little gear icon here. Click it, and there's several options. It says modify device, or delete device, or reconnect, or define settings. Now we're going to define settings, and there is a list of options. Here we're gonna go with Wi-Fi connect configuration, and you can see that they're refreshing right now. This is the Wi-Fi network available right now. Simply okay. Now in this Wi-Fi config setting menu, you can see there is all these. Well, this is the simply Wi-Fi network available near you. Okay, choose the Wi-Fi network that you need to connect it to and input the password. Okay. Okay, now input the password. That's okay. And now at this stage, if you want to connect your camera to simply, it's like switch it from local Wi-Fi hotspot to wireless connection. Well, you can see that you need to confirm this operation, and to do this operation, the camera will automatically reboot, and you can see cam device reboot. Okay, and back to main menu, we need to wait a minute. The camera will automatically reboot. You can see now it's off, and it will reboot automatically. Wait a second, and at this stage I can talk about. Okay, now you can see it's back on, and we'll wait a minute. We'll need to wait a minute for it to connect to the Wi-Fi network, and basically this camera will be automatically back online, and then we're gonna be able to view it remotely, which means I no longer need to connect to these cameras through the Wi-Fi. I can use cellular data or use any other network. Okay, this reboot and connecting progress might take a while. Let's check out this alarm clock first. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi alarm clock from Corprit. Basically, the Wi-Fi connection is the same as this power bank camera. You simply plug out this tipper here, okay, to connect these batteries. This is the insulator. Okay, now plug it out, and well, you can see the switch is at off, and switch it to on, and then okay, this battery has run flat right now, so it won't light on, but basically it's the same. Okay, use this switch to power on, and there is the indicator here. Okay, you might not see it quite clearly, but there's the LED indicator is here, and you simply wait for the camera to generate a Wi-Fi hotspot and connect to it, and just repeat the steps I have just done with this power bank camera. They're just the same. Okay, now back to the power bank camera. Okay, now according to the indicator, the camera is now steady, and back to the app, you can see. Okay, now back to the main interface of the app. You can see now the camera is online, and the LED indicator is back connected again. Okay, now click this again to get a live view. Again, there is a password warning. Let's skip it again, and now we have live view. As I have mentioned, I'm in the conference room, so the network is not really that stable. So if you are using it at home, it will be much better, I assure you. Okay, just in case you failed in some steps of that Wi-Fi configurations I have just showed you. In case you failed some steps, okay, don't worry. Simply, the common error will appear is that you type the wrong password for the Wi-Fi network. Okay, that's okay. Simply, okay, there's You can see there is a little switch, there's a little button here. This is the reset button. Simply poke it, press and hold it, and to reset the camera, and just let's start over from step 1. Okay, that will be okay. Now that's how you okay, this is the full step of the Wi-Fi configuration for these Wi-Fi cameras. Hope this helped. Thank you.